My name is Les Robinson. I am the Park Director for Lincoln's Landing Tournament Fishing Park in Lincoln, Alabama. Lincoln's Landing is a dream by the council and the mayor of the city of Lincoln. Been in the process of about 3 years now. It was to build a tournament fishing park like none other in the state, to draw major tournaments as well as a place for a granddad to bring his grandchildren and fish off the piers and docks. It'll have playgrounds, restrooms, pavilions which can be rented for birthday parties. And we have a large pavilion that I would imagine at some point will be used for a wedding. Tonight we are having our first inaugural fireworks extravaganza presented by the city of Lincoln and a lot of great sponsors. This is the first, guys. There's many more to come years down the road. We have a great crowd here and looking forward to a wonderful show put on by Pyro Shows out of Tennessee and Adamsville, Alabama. Looking for a great fireworks show tonight at Lincoln's Landing.
You know, we need the community support. We need the community to attend these events, and that's what we built it for. Here's the thing, it's not just for Lincoln. This is a regional thing. We want regional growth, and we want this to benefit the region.
So everyone's invited? Everyone's
invited. Come and launch your boat here. Come and enjoy our 1,400 feet of boardwalk, and bring your kids, and let's fish.